bottoms up keypad has a few features that aren't labeled on the board itself. You can refer to this sticker with QR code Touchpad Overview to see a couple of these. Let's turn this on first. The first one of these is called an administrative lockout. That will disable a few of the buttons. The way to do that is to hold the purge. If you have an older keypad model, it might say prime. Or the purge button and the less beer, it's -2% button. You're gonna hold that for about 5 seconds. You're gonna see some buttons flash. There we go. So see how those are flashing. The purge button was also flashing. So when we do that, if someone wants to go into purge or prime mode, or they try to adjust the beer level, you'll see those lights flash. So that disables that if you would need that for any reason. To disable that administrative lockout function, you're gonna hold purge or prime and less beer for about 5 seconds. This should flash. And now you can get back into those buttons. You also have the option to change the brightness on your touchpad. Let's turn it on. To change the dimness or the brightness of the display, you're going to hold the program size button, or it might say manual start if you have an older model. You're going to hold that, and if you want it to be brighter, you'll hit the plus sign, the more beer sign, like so. If it would be dimmer, hold the program size button and hit the minus or less beer button. A secret and fun option we have on the touchpad here is what we call party mode. And that's going to turn these two LED lights on, and they'll sort of strobe as the beer liquid comes through the cup. So let's turn this on, and to activate party mode, you're going to hold these two buttons, more beer, less beer. You're going to hold those for about 5 seconds at the same time. The LEDs should flash like that. So that lets us know we're in party mode. And to see what that means, the LEDs strobe like so. To deactivate party mode, you're going to do the same thing. Hold the plus and minus sign, more beer, less beer. There's a strobe, and then we're going to know party mode is deactivated. And again, you can refer to this sticker that should come with your bottoms up system. It could be placed on the micromatic kegerator that your dispenser is installed on the top of, or if you have a long draw system with countertop models or even in-countered models, these stickers will have been provided. So you can refer to the QR code here, Touchpad Overview, or the QR codes for anything related to the system. Additionally, you can give us a call here or check out other videos on our YouTube channel for tips and tricks.